Today we will show you how to use the 9+9 function on Approach S40 and how to edit Scorecard. Today we are at the Taipei Golf Club. Select Play Golf. Wait for the red line to become green, which indicates the state line positioning has completed. When we are choosing the hole, you'll see the Taipei Golf Club is separated into 4 areas named A, B, C, D. So today we will start from the left green of area C. If you have already decided which 2 areas you will be playing at, you can choose 18 hole on the watch. Start from the beginning. We can choose 9 hole or 18 hole. We are going to choose 18 hole first. Then the watch will ask you to choose the back 9 holes you are going to play. We are going to choose the left green of area D first. Select green check to keep your score. Select T box. Then you are ready to start 18 hole round. However, if you want to play 9 hole first, what should you do? The beginning process are the same. After state line positioning has completed, select the left green of area D and choose 9 hole first. Select the T box, then you can start to play. If you have decided the back 9 area during the round, you can select Add Back 9 on the watch. Press the button on the upper right. Swipe down and you can see there's an Add Back 9 option. After selecting it, you can select the area that you want to play next. We will select the left green of area B first. And now you have completed the Add Back 9 setting. During the round, if you want to add or edit the scorecard for other holes, what should you do? Press the button on the upper right and select Change Hole. Then you can check the map of other holes. Or you can press the button and select Scorecard. Here, you can edit the scorecard of each hole. And that's all about the Approach S40 9+9 function and scorecard editing tutorial.